All right, we're in physics class, and these guys are doing some house wiring.
All right, hey folks. So our goal here was to get this switch right up here to operate that light socket, and have the bottom light socket constantly running when the socket's hooked up to a power source. And we also wanted to have this switch be able to turn on and off that light bulb right over there. So.
All right. So what do we have to do on this side?
Yeah, so we have 3 separate circuits that connect to the source. So the first one connects from the
Hot?
hot end, and then it goes to the switch, and then to the top end, and then it goes back and then the neutral connects to the neutral end of the source. And then for the socket that's constantly running, we have it connecting from the source, the hot end, and then the neutral end connects back to the source. And then for the switch, we have the neutral end connect back to the switch, and then we connect it to the light bulb, and then back to the source. And then the green wires are grounding, and they connect to the grounding part of the source.
Good. And the reason why we didn't have white wires is because we didn't have any white jumpers. So we had to use red for the neutral. All right. What do we want to say?
Now we're going to test it out, see if it actually works. Hopefully nothing explodes. So here we have, at the top it's supposed to be, this top outlet is controlled by this switch here. So we will take this lovely light bulb, plug it in here, and it works. Voila. And then the bottom outlet, that's continuous. So we plug it in here, it should turn on right away. Oh my goodness. It's like we know what we're doing. And then this second switch here, as mentioned before, is supposed to turn on this light bulb. Like a charm.
All right.
It is beautiful.
Good job.
Crisis avoided.